Team up time. First game, chat. Let's get a valid rank game on Black Hack so I can go on to Yubber Tubberton. You know what I'm saying?
Put you on Yubber Tubberton.
Maybe, potentially. Watch the spot, chat. They don't know about this tech right here. This is tech.
Damn, Daniel!
God damn, Black Cat got them yams on her. Emma's right here by herself. Emma's gonna jump Emma. We just. Oh, never mind. She went back. You won't be needing that.
Yo, she's so weak. Or not weak. She's so weak.
I killed Jeff.
Rogue is on our line. Yo, where? Hey! You knocked that off. Oh shit. Magic taken? Oh wait, no, that was good magic.
4 in a row to start off the game, chat.
Ugh.
Oh, y'all got it. I missed my
Idiot.
yoink. No, she's
Fighting over a toy. Relax.
Yo, I missed. Yo, Emma, take it out your mouth, Gango. Oh my God, look at you dying for it. I'm about to dive back line again. Damn.
I don't know who
I'm
it
cooked.
is, but I know some nigga hit me right now.
No, what? Yo, I literally dashed. Why did I start wall climbing? Fuck it. I started my dominance as the black kitten cat. So, you're mine. Yo, chill, Slime.
They be boosting us these luck thingamajiggies.
We can.
Oh,
damn,
still
you
up.
gotta be cooked.
They be boosted alright.
Let me farm him. Let me farm him. I need money. No! Fuck you, Gwens. You kill hungry ass Gwen. I have ult. I'm gonna send it early. Hold on, let me actually. Oh, magic is low-key anything. Wolves right here. Watch out for Wolf. Watch out for Wolf.
Isn't that passive?
He didn't see me.
Oh, 200. Oh yeah, we're gonna store that real quick.
Wait, he's not dead?
Maybe he's not dead.
Oh, I'm cooked, TG.
Doesn't even
Yo,
say
yo,
that.
Mag. Be wary of death, gang. Come on now. We just double up. GG. Yo, what in the ult spam? Yo, gang. Oh, I'm cooked. I gotta leave. Too much damage. Think it's a little late for that bubble, Magneto. Oh, he's cooked. Man, I'm just gonna take my money and leave, bro. Think I can't see you back, son?
No!
Watch this. Free fire. I missed. GG. 500 coins, though. We can make something shake. Oh, I just bought the wrong thing. GG. Now let's gamble a little bit, chat. Oh my God, I hit the jackpot first time. And I'm ass. Diving Jeff. Nice. Like, I'm a farm fucking mag. I don't even need to waste my abilities. Whoa! Whoa! This nigga just started frying me. Let me see, Jack. Yeah. Ah! The average Moon Knight player.
If you can get people to shoot at you, yeah, it's tough.
Oh, I missed my yoinker. 4-man dash? Nope. Yo, niggas did not just onk me out of my fucking... I'm about to get snagged, aren't I? Yep. Oh my God, I dodged it. Damn, I missed my yoink. See if I can get close enough to... No, I started wall climbing. Did you get away, chat?
What are you going with?
Yeah, you got away from that. Oh my god, he dunked on him. Whoa! What the? Bumbaclat! Bumbaclat. Alright, cook this bitch.
No, I literally dashed. I got cheese.
Oh shit.
Where's my iframes? I should have popped ult.
Yo, realistically though, like, if you put a human being in front of fucking Black Cat and they wouldn't have intercourse with them, they're lying, bro. Female or male, bro. They're just lying, bro. Everyone's touching Black Cat. With consent, of course. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, that's what I get. That's what I get, bro. W fucking Penis Parker. We gotta destroy them. They have triple support with Penis Parker. Hey. Wrap me up and call me a... Yeah, let me not. Oh my god, I already had fucking... Let me gamble. Oh my... Yo, I am lucky today, chat. Somebody buy me a lottery ticket. Let me scratch it for you. I'm gonna go on the side here. Actually, I could TP, just to be cool. I could. I could. Whoa! I just wasted my TP. Yo, they are... I'm turning the whole team around. Yo, you want my ass, don't you? W Bucky. Kill Bucky. He's an idiot. Nice. I have no money. I have no money! But I have no money! My fault for stealing your final, big dad.
Sorry, I got him back in blood.
Come on, let's push up here, team. Oh! Let me go! Yo, how is she sucking me and I'm invisible? Look at this shit.
When they wake the portal.
Tick, 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 tick. Like, invisibility my dick, bro. Like, Bombaclad. Yo, I'm a W gambler. Let's go again. No, I just let this nigga get respawned. I'm just gonna fucking brawl here. Oh god, we just back here. I'm getting my money up right now. Yo, every ult ain't crazy? Like, y'all are up, gang. I'm waiting for this ult to run out and then I'm popping. They have nothing.
So I can't hit him.
Oh shit, I gotta get my reset. Damn. Nice. Gotcha! W game, chat. Yup, tub game. Finally got some content. Finally got some content.
It's kind of sad.
Boring ass game that was too.
I start to care about these evil assholes. I know that they don't love me, they just want my fucking cash flow. These hoes manipulate to gather money and that's wrong.